Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best air filter kit is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of dirt bike maintenance, but it's absolutely crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly and extending its lifespan. Today, we're diving deep into a top-rated air filter cleaner and oil kit, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value. We'll cover everything you need to know to keep your air filter in top condition, ensuring optimal performance on the track or trail. Number 5. Toil 90-0009 Filter Maintenance Kit 3PK. This kit includes everything you need to maintain your air filter. It comes with a pack of 3 filters, ensuring you always have a spare. This will keep your engine running smoothly. The kit includes a 16-ounce bottle of Toil Classic biodegradable air filter oil. This oil helps to trap dirt and debris, protecting your engine. It's biodegradable, making it environmentally friendly. Also included is a 16-ounce bottle of Toil biodegradable air filter cleaner. This cleaner effectively removes dirt and oil from your filter. It's designed to be safe and easy to use. To complete the kit, there's a 4-ounce tube of Toil biodegradable rim grease. This grease helps to seal the filter to the airbox. It ensures a tight fit, preventing any contaminants from entering. With this Toil kit, you can be sure that your engine is well protected. It's a comprehensive solution for maintaining your air filter. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit uses a biodegradable formula, which is friendly to the environment. It's a complete package, including everything you need for filter maintenance. If you're eco-conscious and want a comprehensive solution, you should consider this. What people say. Thoroughly clean and re-oil your Yamaha ATV air filter. This kit is indispensable. Using the cleaner, added it to warm water and clean all the dirt and grime that has been caught in your spongy filter. It even comes with a grease tube so you can put grease on the flange side of the air filter to ensure it seals against the wall of the air chamber. Number 4. K&N 99-5050 Air Filter Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed to clean all oiled K&N air filters. It helps to remove dirt and grime, restoring the filter's performance. This ensures your engine receives clean air. The kit helps restore your filter to exceptional performance. It removes buildup that clogs the filter. This allows the engine to breathe easier. The kit includes Power Clean, a powerful degreaser. It quickly dissolves old oil and buildup. This allows grime to be easily rinsed away with water. The kit also includes K&N Red Filter Oil. This oil remains suspended in the filter material. It allows for exceptional contaminant capture, protecting your engine. The cleaning process is simple. Spray on Power Clean, rinse with water, allow the filter to dry, and then apply fresh filter oil. Following these steps will keep your filter in top condition. This kit restores airflow efficiency. It helps your K&N air filter perform like new. This ensures optimal engine performance. What we like. This kit is designed to restore your filter's performance. It includes Power Clean, a powerful degreaser. If you want to ensure your filter captures contaminants effectively, you should consider this. What people say. Worked great to clean and re-oil my K&N filter. K&N cleaning kit works as it states on the instructions. Simple as spraying on and rinsing off. The cleaning fluid and oil provided has plenty for multiple applications, so you will save money in the long run. This is the only reusable air filter cleaning kit that I will use for any reusable air filter. It only takes a few minutes to clean. The drying period varies by the weather. Leave in the sun and takes about 20 to 30 minutes to dry before reinstalling the filter. Number 3. K&N 99-0516 Air Filter Oil. This is K&N air filter oil, designed specifically for K&N air filters. It helps restore your engine's performance and efficiency. This product is a must-have for maintaining your filter. The formula is designed to significantly improve the performance of your air filter. It ensures that the filter works at its best. This will help your engine run smoothly. The oil quickly penetrates and saturates the filter pleats. It traps contaminants that reduce airflow and disrupt engine performance. This process is key to keeping your engine clean. This product is suitable for cleaning all oiled K&N air filters. It helps to remove dirt and debris, ensuring optimal performance. Using this product is easy and effective. K&N red filter oil remains suspended in the pleats. This allows for exceptional contaminant capture. It helps your filter to trap dirt and debris effectively. It restores airflow efficiency, making your K&N air filter perform like new. This ensures your engine gets the clean air it needs. The result is improved engine performance. What we like. This product is specifically designed for K&N filters. It's formulated to improve air filter performance. If you have a K&N filter and want to maximize its efficiency, you should consider this. What people say. The air filter cleaner and oil kit is a great product. It works very well and is easy to use. The kit includes everything needed to clean and oil the air filter. Number 2. Maxima Racing Oils Air Filter Combo Kit, Pack of 2. This kit is designed to maintain your air filter. It's a top-rated cleaner in the industry, perfect for keeping your engine running smoothly. Independent tests confirm its effectiveness. It's the best choice for maintaining your air filter's performance. The formula is designed to work with foam and fabric air filters. It ensures the filter is clean and ready for use. This kit uses industrial-strength cleaners to remove grease and contaminants. It will help to keep your filter in top condition. The formula is non-caustic, so it's safe for your filter. You can easily wash it out with water. This product meets the standards for VOC compliance. You can use it with confidence knowing it meets environmental regulations. What we like. This kit is rated as the #1 air filter cleaner in industry tests. It uses a non-caustic formula that's easy to wash out. If you're looking for a top-rated, easy-to-use cleaner, you should consider this. What people say. Great product to clear dirt bike filters. Product works good, easy to use. Worked amazing. Number 1. PJ 115-202 Foam Filter Care Kit. This kit includes a specially formulated foam filter cleaner. It dissolves and removes dirt and grime with a simple spray-on, wash-off process. It's easy to use and gets the job done. The kit also includes a high-quality foam filter oil. Its new, super tacky formulation removes harmful particles from intake air. This improved product is water-repelling and non-settling. The PJ 115-202 Foam Filter Care Kit is easy to use. It comes with clear instructions that make it simple for anyone to maintain their foam air filter. You'll be ready to go in no time. Regular use of this kit can help improve engine performance. It ensures the engine receives clean, filtered air. This will help you get the most out of your engine. The foam filter cleaner and oil are made from high-quality materials. They are safe for use on foam air filters and won't damage your engine or filter glues. It is a great choice. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for foam filters. The oil has a super tacky formulation. If you have a foam filter and want to improve your engine's performance, you should consider this. What people say. The air filter cleaner and oil kit is a great product. The kit includes everything you need to clean and oil your air filter. The cleaner works well at removing dirt and grime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.